Hey, it's Andreas, and let's talk about investment opportunities that I and other investors avoid today. Why should you care? Well, it's a great opportunity to learn and see traps that you as an investor can avoid. Now, I will do this in 3 steps. Just quickly show the opportunity, the business, and then the financials. Now, the first part here is in Swedish, but don't worry, I will translate the important parts real quickly. This first one is just to talk about the opportunity. They had a new emission of preferential stocks that they wanted investors to sign up on. However, after the period here, it was retracted due to poor interest. Why poor interest? Well, you will see in the financials. Now let's talk about the business here, because there's nothing wrong with this business. They have great ambition here to write Swedish industrial history, and they really want to help industries convert their excess heat into electricity, being more environmentally friendly. Now, if I had Bill Gates money, I would sure invest in opportunities like this, not in the hopes of getting more return on money, but to put capital to use in trying to improve the world. However, as an investor wanting return on capital, I don't think this is a great idea. Sure, all types of electrical generation, a lot of it uses heat, like nuclear. They use fission to heat water into steam and generating electricity from that. And in this case, this is not something that's super efficient. On their website here, I checked, they claim a return on investment of 5 years, but as we know, it's really hard today to convince companies to go into capital expenditure, and this is something we need to take into account when looking at this business. Alright, what about a company like stock price here? Alright, absolutely collapsed, more than 50%, really small cap company, high risk, high reward. Alright, so financials here, a quick look. We can see that they were losing money here in the past, and sure, they had some great year-over-year growth, some potential here, and then we see continued growth but still losing money. However, here in March and June of this year, we see something happening. We see revenue diving, and we see that they're still losing money a bit more now, and in the next quarter here, losing even more money, and revenue is just tanking. And as an investor looking to make an investment, this is not the types of numbers you want to see. Just absolutely tanking here. 44% year-over-year growth, only 10 million in revenue, almost halved here. And then for the latest quarter, 494,000, below a million, 97% year-over-year decline. Absolutely horrible numbers. Do you want to bet on a turnaround? If you take a look at the overview of the company and you see that they're only down by 63%, there's a lot of potential to continue to fall. And then with emission of new shares trying to bring in more capital into the company, that's a sign of weakness in the market. So great risk to invest in this company, and in this case I think that the risk is greater than the potential reward, and this is the type of investment that I try to stay away from. So now you know the thought process going on here when looking at certain investment opportunities. I wanted to share one of these with you guys, because there's a lot of pitches that are just gonna pass by and be something that I won't put money into. This is one of them. I got an email about the offer to sign preferential stocks. Not gonna bite on it. Right, that's been it for this video, and as always, I hope you make a ton of money whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.